everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing this gorgeous 8-piece collection from Magic Gel, which is the Fall and Fashion collection. It does have a wide range of cream colors along with one stunning glitter gel polish. So if you'd like to see more about how I feel about these polishes in this collection, let's get started. So I'm back today with another Magic Gel collection to share with you guys. So Magic Gel was kind enough to send me the Fall and Fashion MLaq gel polish collection. So this is an 8-piece gel polish collection and I'm really excited to share this collection with you guys. So let's dive in. So Magic Gel recently came out with a set of gel polishes, like a gel polish line. So usually before they just had their potted gels, and now they're actually doing like gel polish in a bottle, which I think is really neat. So this collection, you can buy it as a whole or you can buy the polishes themselves individually. So as always, I will have all of that linked down below for you. So with the new MLaq gel polishes, on the potted gels you get like a little swatch. I don't know if I have one. So with the Magic Gel potted gels, you get like a little swatch on the lid, just something like this that shows you or gives you an idea of what the color you're gonna be getting in the pot looks like. With the MLaq gel polishes, you get this like really cute little window and you can get like a peekaboo sneak peek of what the color is gonna look like. And on the lid they give you like a swatch as well, which I think is really nice, especially if you store your gel polishes in a drawer. Now I would be very careful leaving these in direct sunlight or even close to your lamp when you're curing them, just because of this little window here. You don't want the gel itself to cure. Anywho, the first polish that I will be sharing with you is number 66, and this is called Jade Garden. Can I just say I'm really loving the shape of these bottles? To me it's really nice. So Jade Garden, this is a gorgeous color. This is a vibrant jade and it's supposed to be inspired by the jade stone. I do see some teal undertones to it, but it is still really nice. Surprisingly, this is showing up true to life in my camera. So this is Jade Garden in just one coat. Absolutely stunning. Like, this is picking up just a tad bit more blue than it is in real life. Like in real life it is a really nice jade, and this is such a stunning color for fall. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a cure and come back in with a second coat. And here is what Jade Garden looks like against my skin tone. I absolutely adore this. I can definitely see myself wearing this. This is so beautiful for fall. Number 67, this looks like it's going to be a really nice, I want to say a cobalt blue. It's really nice just by the representation on the lid. So this one is called Strong Blue. Oh yeah, this looks like a really nice cobalt blue, and I'm very happy that this is showing up true to life. So exactly what I'm seeing is what you guys are seeing as well. This is True Blue in one coat. This is so gorgeous. I love blues like this. I think they're so pretty. Again, a really nice color for fall, and I love how super pigmented this is. And here we have Strong Blue against my skin tone. Lovely blue color. It is brighter than I was expecting it to be, but you know what, it's still one that I would. Next up is number 68, and this color is not wanting to pick up by my camera at all with the swatch on the lid, but this one is called Melted Beige. Okay, so this looks like it's supposed to be like a cool toned nudie beigey gray. It's very light. Okay, so this is definitely very, very light. Like, do I dare say that I'm getting a hint of like some light pinky undertones to it as well? Not a color that I would gravitate toward, but it is still really pretty nice. And here we have Melted Beige against my skin tone. It's a really nice neutral, just not a neutral for... Next is number 69, and this is supposed to be an orange, although my camera is showing up a bit weird. I don't know why, but this is actually a lot brighter than it's showing up, and this is called Orange Style. In all honesty, when I saw this orange in the collection, I was actually really excited. Ooh, this is really pretty. It is showing up quite a bit brighter than it is in real life. I don't know why it's tripping out my camera like that, but it's not as bright as it is like... Okay, maybe down here you're getting like more of an accurate color. It's still a bit bright, but it is a really, really nice orange. Perfect for fall. And this is just one coat, and it is like really, really pigmented. I would consider this like an orange, a medium orange. Here is Orange Style against my skin tone. Very, very nice orange. Oh my gosh, this would have been perfect for Halloween, but you know what? Fall is still here, so I can see people getting a lot of use and wear out of this. Again, this is a lighter color, and the swatch is just not cooperating with my camera. I don't know why, but this one is called Celery Yellow. It's a very unique name. So I'm interested to see what this color is going to look like. Huh, this is really interesting. It is like a soft baby yellow. Like, you know those yellows you find on baby blankets or baby onesies? That neutral yellow that a boy or a girl could wear? This is what that reminds me of. So this one is definitely on the lighter side. I will say it is a unique color. You will have to go in with maybe 2 or 3 colors. So this is Celery Yellow in 2 coats. It is still very light, so I think it's supposed to be like a lighter shade. But it's really up to you if you want to go in with a 3rd one. And this is Celery Yellow against my skin tone. Again, not a color I'd personally wear or that I'd be personally drawn towards, but I can see people getting a lot of use out of this, and I actually know a few people that would really, really like it. Next we have the number 71, and this looks like it's going to be a green. Ooh, and just by that little peekaboo window, it looks like a really dark green, so I'm excited for this. And this one is called a Military Olive. Ooh, this is like a dark olive green. Super pretty. It reminds me of like that army green. So this one you would definitely need to go in with a second coat, but it is an olive green, but it still reminds me of that army green. This is such a beautiful green, and I love how opaque it is in two coats. This is a green I would wear, and that's saying a lot because I really don't gravitate towards greens at all. And here is Military Olive against my skin tone. Definitely a color I could see myself getting some use out of. It is such a perfect green for fall. Like, could you imagine this and the orange together? I think that'd be something. So next up we have number 72. This looks like it's going to be like a chocolate brown. Even just by looking at the peekaboo window, it does look like a chocolate brown. And this is called Tawny Birch. Oh yeah, this looks like a gorgeous milk chocolate brown. I would consider this like a warm tone brown as well. And I know browns aren't usually colors people reach for or call for, but like honestly, you could still do a really nice set with an accent nail with brown, or you could do a really nice brown set, especially in the fall. Super pigmented, and this is just one coat of Tawny Birch. You really could easily just use this in one coat, but just for swatching purposes I am going to go in with it. Tawny Birch looks like against my skin tone. I actually like it. Like, it almost blends with my skin tone. And I don't know why I like dark chocolates or milk chocolates or browns that do that, but I do for whatever strange reason. And the last color that I have to share with you is number 73, and just by the swatch this looks like a glittery peachy gel. Ooh, even in the peekaboo window that looks really pretty. This is Possum Beach. Peach Blossom. Ooh, this is really pretty, guys. It's almost like a peach champagne glitter. It has some fine glitters in it. This is gorgeous. This is so beautiful, and I don't know if you can see, like, especially in the center of the nail, depending on the angle that the light hits it, it's got like this pinky purpley shift. It is beautiful. So it is a bit sheer, so you would have to go in maybe with another 1 or 2 coats to really build it up to full opacity. This is such a beautiful color. I really like that Magic Gel threw this in with their fall collection. You can go in with a 3rd coat, but I am gonna leave it at 2. And here is Peach Blossom against my skin tone. This is such a beautiful fall. And here we have it for the Magic Gel Fall and Fashion 8-piece collection. So this is the first time that I've really seen the colors. I've heard about the collection, but I really did try not to look at the colors because I wanted it to be just as much as a surprise for me as it was for you. I will say that the collection in itself is cohesive. I really do like all the colors. Like this neutral, I really do see people using this a lot. It's this one that I might have a bit of trouble getting clients to use, or getting anyone to use per se, because I feel like this one is more springtime. But then again, I can also see in a way why this would have been included in the collection. But all in all the colors are really nice. The formula is absolutely beautiful, just as you would expect from Magic Gel. So their potted gels are amazing, their bottle gels are amazing, guys. If you are a certified nail tech, go on over and get this collection. You will not regret it. So I will have all the details linked down below for you guys as well. And I will make sure to link the whole cohesive collection in itself if that's how you want to purchase it. or all the individual colors seen here for you guys as well. Thank you so much for watching this video and sticking around with me. As always guys, do make sure to give this video a thumbs up, do subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I do post more content. And as always guys, stay glamorous.